My name is Philip Winter. I work at BSH Home Appliances. We are one of the biggest home appliance manufacturers in the world, the biggest in Europe. We have a huge portfolio of different brands like Bosch, Siemens, Neff, Gaggenau and many more. And we manufacture those products in about 40 factories worldwide.
My name is Sascha Weckend and I'm responsible for work in time management here in our factory in Gingen, and we produce about 1.6 million refrigerators and freezers per year, and they are 100% built-in appliances.
With the different brands but also the different product ranges, we have a huge portfolio of different product variants. So imagine a production line with over several hundred different products, and therefore the production line has to adapt constantly, but also the operators at the line as well as the planners.
We have the single operations the worker have to do to complete the product, and for each workstation we try to find the perfect amount of work content, and therefore we need line balancing.
You reach a border at some point where you need special software to face and challenge this complexity, and we use Siemens Technomatics tools for quite some years at BSH, and therefore we now introduce Easy Plan as our latest planning software. Easy Plan is really the right tool for production process planning. It's a web-based solution that let our planners access Teamcenter data.
Right now I'm involved in training our local colleagues here, and the best thing about Easy Plan is the easy user interface. It's quite intuitive, so if you worked before with an internet browser, you know where you have to click.
We kind of formed a strategic partnership with Siemens, but also with the MTM Association, who do the TiCon integration, and the software also continues to develop. There is the possibility to have a lot of customization for your specific use cases. We can bring in new ideas to optimize the system and get a better product in the end. Easy Plan allows us really to have also production process planning data on our Teamcenter factory backbone. So in the end, we really have this one point of truth, and to go one step further, we really want to derive to a point what we call closed loop manufacturing, where we not only have planning data in Teamcenter and Easy Plan, but also to play the data to our manufacturing execution system, but also to get data back and really reuse live data to optimize our production lines. Everything new is also a little bit scary at first, so our engineers are quite used to the old system, but they definitely see the benefit, especially the easy access to the data, but also with customization we are able to really also feed their demands of their use cases, and it's definitely the right way for BSH.